Over the next few hours, we'll start seeing some heavy rain move into the Charlotte area, and you can see the system right there on Doppler radar.
That rain will not only cause problems perhaps on the roads, it might also create issues in your yard. NBC Charlotte's Ariel Placencia is live in Myers Park. It's an area that sees a lot of trees come down, unfortunately, during heavy rain. And Ariel, one actually fell there just this week.
Yeah, Ben and Carolyn, if you've ever driven through this neighborhood, maybe gone for a run or a walk, you will notice, you can't miss them, these big, beautiful, large trees. They're all over 100 years old. And sadly, when it rains, especially like the amount we're expecting to get today, they can fall. And, you know, I was standing in this exact intersection just 2 days ago because a tree, as you guys mentioned, did fall. We're at the intersection of Queens Road West and Norton Road. Take a look at this video. Our cameras are rolling as crews started the very long process of getting all those branches cleaned up. That tree blocked traffic for several hours, and it happened right in the middle of the morning, so it did cause a few traffic headaches. Now, I caught up with some of the tree crews that were on scene as they were working. Listen to what they had to say.
When you got old trees that are over 100 years old, then you can have an accident for no reason. There was no wind last night. We did have some rain. The moisture gets in the ground, the root system gets slippery, slides out, but you never know when that's going to happen.
So it can be hard to tell when these trees might fall, but there are a few factors. Obviously, when the ground is super wet, those roots can split and then the trees can fall. And we are expecting a ton of rain later on today. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on these trees, and we'll let you know if they cause any traffic problems later on in the morning. Live in Myers Park, I'm Ariel Placencia, NBC Charlotte.
Ariel, thanks so much. So let's get straight to Larry Sprinkle right now for the latest on the forecast. So, Larry, just how much rain are we talking about here?
We could see maybe half an inch, 3/4 of an inch in the Charlotte area. North of here, maybe over an inch. We're getting some light rain starting to track into the area right now from First Warn Doppler radar. The heavier amounts really are still south of here. You can see from around Gastonia all the way down into just to the east of Clover there in South Carolina. Some light rain showers. Heavier rain along Interstate 85. You got travel plans maybe headed into Greenville, Spartanburg. That's where some of the heavier rain is right now. It's moving in our direction, moving from the southwest to the northeast. You can see more of the showers along Interstate 85. But right now, for the most part, it's just some light rain out there, but more rain is on the way. This is Futurecast. Into the morning we go. This is around between about 7 and 9. The heavy rain starts moving into the area. That's around 11 o'clock this morning, between 11 and noon. Watch out for your lunchtime hours. This is going to be a rainy time period. Let's get a check.